Truck. Machines at work. Hit the road with the world's toughest trucks. Here are some things in this book. You get trucking, get loading, splish, sploosh. Dump it down, snow shifters, logs on wheels, trains of the road, car carrier, works of art, the need for speed, into the future, monster machines, days of old, picture gallery, glossary, and index. Let's get trucking. Trucking. Throughout the book, there are many pages throughout the book. Glossary at the end. This is about 30 pages in this book. All sorts of things. Logs on the wheels. Look at that. Snow shoots out. Clouds of dust fill the air. Do. Dump it down. Dump. Spush. Spush. Yet loading.